Hi guys, I'm so bored. That's why I've asked you if anong magandang song na i-cover now. So, hindi ko alam yung mga pinag-post nyo, pinagko-comment nyo. So, Payphone lang alam ko eh. Payphone alam ko na nandito. So, ito na lang ha. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where all the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture, 'cause you're not here next to me. I know it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? In the time that you wasted, all of my bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where all the time's gone, baby, it's all wrong. Where all the plans we made for two. If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of almost stupid love song I'll be sick when I'm at a payphone. So, yun lang. Anyway, meron pang more requests or so I'll try it later. Sige, bye-bye. Ciao.